This 2006 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Mercedes-Benz E350 Wagon 3.5 V6 engine, automatic transmission, navigation system, heated front seats, power windows, cruise control, power exterior mirrors, keyless entry, silver metallic exterior, black leather interior. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2006 Mercedes-Benz E350 Wagon is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.